Hello बच्चों. Now we continue our chapter Where to Look From. Page number 7. So here I am going to tell you a story, Tit for Tat. In this story, a girl met a painter and asked him to draw her picture. See, she asked, "Can you make my picture?" The painter replied, "Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it." Amina agreed and the painter began to draw her picture. After some time, he showed her picture which is half drawn. Amina was upset. She said, "This picture is half." But the painter was very smart. He said, "The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture." मतलब कि जो मीना होती है वो कहती है कि पिक्चर तो हाफ ड्रॉन है, तो जो पेंटर होता है वो बहुत ही स्मार्टनेस से कहता है कि हाँ, आपकी जो आधी पिक्चर है वो तो मैंने ड्रॉ कर दी है और हाफ पिक्चर जो है वो इसकी बिल्कुल मिरर हाफ है, आप इस पर मिरर रख कर इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. मीना वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी स्मार्ट. She gave only 100 rupees to the painter. Painter was amused and said, "This is only half the money." Meena said, "Yes, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money." Isn't a interesting story? Yes, I think you all should be smart like Amina. So beta, after this story, there is something work to do for us. There are some pictures that are half drawn. Can you complete these pictures by using a mirror? Okay, so just draw these half pictures in your notebook and then complete them. You can make some more pictures here. Now at page number 9, see, some pictures are drawn and they are divided into two equal half, two mirror half using some dotted line. But all pictures are not completely half. Okay, let's see which picture is half divided or have a mirror half and which is not divided properly. Let's start. Just see the first picture, which is a triangle. The triangle is divided into two equal half using a dotted line. Is the one half is mirror half of second? Yes, it is completely divided in two mirror halves. What about the green triangle? Yes, this green triangle is also mirror half. Now, the third, no, it is not half mirror image. Now see this square. If this square is half divided, it is half divided but not a perfect mirror half. What about the yellow triangle? Yes, yellow triangle is again a mirror half. What about this boat and tree? No, it is also not a mirror half. B, yes, B is also the mirror half. T, yes, T is again a mirror half. What about this diamond? No, this diamond is not a mirror half. What about this tumbler? No, the tumbler is also not divided in a mirror half. What about this leaf? Yes, it is also divided in a mirror half. What about M? Yes, M is again mirror half. The green triangle? Yes, it is also mirror half. What about this arrow? Yes, it is also a mirror half. And the kite? No, This kite is not divided in mirror half. And what about this rectangle? This is also not again divided in mirror half. Okay, beta. Now it's time to do something by you. There is some space given. So you just draw some images and then divide them using dotted line into their mirror half. Okay, so try to draw these images in your notebook and we'll continue our chapter tomorrow. Bye-bye.